side lacing. Now everybody's got a vest with side lacing in it, or a jacket, or a halter top with side lacing in it. The standard would be black. With black lace usually comes with absolutely everything, so nothing else is going to, no colors are going to come with it. All different colors. So if you need blue, turquoise, red, this is our red, this is our purple. We also have a orange color here for the Harley Davidson people that need that color. And we also have, if I can hold it all at the same time, we've got a natural color as well. So all these colors are available, and you can buy them in the lengths that you need to replace the lacing on your vest or your jacket. Now, if you need have a jacket with side lacing, which usually is about 4-inch section over here, and you'll need 4 feet minimum, 4 to 5 feet for a jacket. On a vest, you will need 8 or 9 feet for a vest if you're going to put a different color. Now you want the lacing to match maybe your club colors. That's a great idea for you. Or you can match an outfit that you're wearing, or your motorcycle. That's important to make sure you have a color that matches, because most people have black in your wardrobe, especially if you're a biker. You have black, and you can accent it nicely. And white looks really, really good on some of them too as well. So that's a great option to keep it out, to stand out a little bit, make the side lacing look really good. So these are the options that Jam and Leather has, and you want to check it out. When you're shopping online, you'll be more than happy to get some of the colors that you might need to make your jacket, vest, or halter top looking more interesting.